They shine a light on some of Canada's most iconic spaces. Beautiful chandeliers adorn the ceilings in the Senate and House of Commons chambers and illuminate the intricate features in these historic rooms. For nearly 100 years, two massive chandeliers, weighing approximately 3,400 pounds each, have hung from the gold-coffered ceiling of the Senate chamber. The fixtures are made of bronze, cast iron, aluminum, and white flashed opal glass. Each chandelier consists of 12 lanterns, which were upgraded in the 1950s to cylindrical shades in order to project more light. In the House of Commons chamber, 6 impressive chandeliers hang from the ceiling. The fixtures were installed in 1978 and weigh approximately 400 pounds each. They are built primarily of steel with cast aluminum and cast brass components, as well as leaded glass panels. During the rehabilitation of Center Block, the light fixtures in both spaces needed to be removed to prevent damage from construction and to allow conservators the opportunity to assess their condition and make recommendations on any work needed to replace, repair, or modernize them. Removing the chandeliers required a lot of patience and creativity. It was unclear how the original engineers hoisted the fixtures, so workers had to develop their own unique plan on how to take them down. The weight of the chandeliers required custom-engineered scaffolding and hoists be installed to support the lowering of each light fixture to the floor. Crews carefully took apart sections of the chandeliers to make the removal from the room more manageable. Once on the floor, a scaffold and trolley beam system was used to bring the large pieces out of the building. Crates were designed and constructed to hold the chandeliers and keep them safe at the Center Block Heritage Storage Facility. This rehabilitation we are doing now will preserve the heritage character and beauty of light in these iconic spaces, while increasing energy efficiency and meeting modern code requirements. The major work being undertaken will ensure the Center Block will continue serving Canada and Canadians well into the future.